What I'm really proud of this reframe collection is that we have gone to great efforts to ensure that we have made the best possible products, functionally and aesthetically. When the user experiences the reframe collection, he or she experiences a set of products which has been developed with a great care for detail. Products which have a super high finish. From the brushed surface to the PVD coating to the chamfered edges which reflects the light. Your drain, your soap shelf, your shower wiper, your towel bar, your hooks and so on. It ties the room together and makes this coherent experience when you install the reframe collection.